Hey guys, good morning. So, California, listen up. This is great news. The IRS announced that we have a tax deadline extension for most California taxpayers. Now, initially, this extension was only until May 15th, 2023. But now the IRS has announced that the May 15th deadline has been extended to October 16th. And this is for most California areas, Alabama and Georgia. Parts of them have extension too, but I'm focused on California right now. So let me share. You know that we had the storms earlier this year. And this is what this extension is for. The IRS is offering relief to any area designated by FEMA in those three states: California, Alabama, and Georgia. Now, it says there are four different eligible FEMA declarations, and the start dates and other details vary for each of the disasters. But for the tax extension, the additional relief postpones until October 16th, and that includes filing your taxes and paying any penalties, which is big because normally your extension is for only filing your taxes. You still have to pay anything you owe or else you're penalized. Well, in this case, you are extended on your time to pay any taxes as well. And among other things, this means that eligible taxpayers will also have until October 16th to make 2022 contributions on their IRAs and their health savings account. That's humongous because that means you can put money, you can deduct now the money that you're contributing to your IRA or your health savings account, even if you don't do it until October 16th. That's what that means. This is great news for California. I will keep you updated on other tax tips. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.